Hello guys, my name is Delvia Magdalena Sitompul. My ING PM200100072, and this video I want to tell you about debate. The first, what is debate? Debate is a formal discussion on a particular matter in a front of public. Debate involves two sides, one supporting a resolution and one opposing it. Such a debate is bound by rules previously agreed upon. How to be a good debater? To be a good debater, for the first is confident. Someone who can debate must confident. Any appointment will think twice before rebutting something that has been spoken with confidence. The second is keep the topic on track. In the course of a debate, it often happens that both the parties tend to divide from the original idea, and ultimately the conversation ends up being about something that is totally irrelevant. And the last is do research well. The most important tip in debating is to be well reserved with what you are speaking on. Debate function. Debate has several functions that will be very useful for everyday life. Debate that need to be underlined. Here are points. Cultivating speaking skills and expressing opinions. Building analytic power relate to the ability to listen and understand the opportunity debate. Cultivate the ability to convey arguments logically with polite language and gesture. Stimulate skills in critical thinking. Stimulate research on controversial issues or topics. Debate structure. The one is introduction. Is the structure at them will introduce themselves, either the affirmation team, the opposition team, or the neutral team. The second is submission of arguments. Each team will present an argument against a certain predetermined topic starting with the affirmation team, then the opposition team, and finally the neutral team. The next is debate for the structures, as team will comment on each other arguments. Conclusion. Each team will provide a closing statement on the topic statement that is in accordance with its position in the debate theme. The last is decision making, voting, resolution, motion. There are types of decision taken from the debate process, namely discussion from the jury, discussions from listener, and decisions with Chris team. Debate features. There are argument and argument to define the argument and get the win. The second is there was a question and answer session that opened or broke the opponent arguments. The next is every debate provides the pros and cons. And the next is each other defending each other opinions or arguments. How to determine the winner can be done based on the discussion of a jury. Purpose and benefit of debate. This debate activity is carried out not without purpose. Of course, there are things that all participants want to achieve. Some of the objections and benefit of holding the debates are as follows. The first is exercise courage or mentally in expressing opinion in public. The second is trying to be able to break the opinion of the open debate. The third is helping to be able to improve the ability to respond to a discussed problem. The fourth is train yourself to be critical each material being debated, and the last is establish understanding of the content material. Okay guys, thank you for your attention. I hope this video can help you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.